Also this noon time, the Aaron Hernandez trial moves to the case of the defense. Hernandez's attorneys brought drug experts before the jury, asking them about possible behaviors of drug use. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us with the latest in Hernandez on trial.
Today, jurors got a crash course in the drug PCP. Dr. David Greenblatt testified about the effects of PCP, which is also known as angel dust. Prosecutors argued to have Dr. Greenblatt's testimony excluded, but the defense prevailed and the jury was allowed to hear from him. Remember, during this trial, we heard testimony suggesting Aaron Hernandez's co-defendants Carlos Ortiz and Ernest Wallace were doing PCP hours before Odin Lloyd's death.
There can be negative symptoms that would be things like feeling disconnected, being in a trance state, having difficulty processing information, having difficulty telling what's real and not real, difficulty with cognition, that is solving problems, etc. We go to the more positive symptoms with active hallucinations, either hearing things or seeing things that are not there, or feelings of persecution, paranoid type problems, and on some occasions violent or aggressive behavior that can appear sometimes or unpredictably, and that might include behavior that could be harmful to themselves or to others.
To tell whether or not anybody appears to be in exhibiting positive symptoms of PCP psychosis.
I simply can't tell.
Presence of PCP, its use by somebody doesn't necessarily lead to violence. Isn't that correct?
That is correct.
The defense only has 3 witnesses. The Commonwealth called 131. In Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.